So I just got my hands on this rolling ball dog bowl slow feeder, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out. We're gonna take it apart. So it came like this. However, if you pinch the bottom right like this, you can get, or I should say push the bottom up on those two spots. This will come right off, the ball will come right out, and you can clean these three pieces. I have already cleaned this with a little mild soap and water, and then it also came with 2 suction cups. So I've been testing these suction cups out a little bit. So to put these in here, they have little spots right here to fit it in, and then I'll show you. It's kind of has a little snap to go into place because these are shaped nicely to fit into this spot right here. So once you get it into that spot on both sides, you have the 2 suction cups on there. You're ready to go. And I did notice, so this is kind of a little bit of a textured surface. I did notice it doesn't work well on a textured surface. So let's go ahead and move this to the floor. All right, so now that we're on the floor, I'm gonna try and get these suction cups to stick, and it works better, but they'll move a little bit. So I've got this one that's staying down really good, and then the other side just isn't staying down as good. So what I've done was I put just a little bit of water on here, and it helps it stick so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and get a drop of water for each of these, then we're gonna go ahead and stick it, and I'm gonna have my dog try this out so you can see how it works. All right, I got just a little drop of water for both of these sides. Let's put this where you can see it. I'm just gonna push it down, and it holds better than it did. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I don't have any yogurt, unfortunately, so we're gonna give it a try with a little sour cream. Duke, you want a treat? Duke, you want a treat? You can rotate the ball to get it all around the ball. What? Get it. And then they just work at it. Even though this doesn't stay in place perfectly on the floor, my dog is having fun with it, and it's a great enrichment toy for him. Thank you so much to the brand for sending this to us in exchange for our honest feedback.